Hi Steve, in this video I'm gonna introduce you the Gribble plugin in 3ds Max. So the Gribble plugin is a very helpful random generator that generates all sorts of different mesh blocks on the surface or on the objects you want. And let's try that out by go to the modifier and choose Gribble. Voila, and you can see these are some very random outcomes that have sort of complexity and sort of aesthetic in it, and it can be used in many different places. So how do we use it? If common first way is by selecting only specific block of faces on the object you want. And this is very controllable in this way. And let's have a look at the control panel, the modifier panel. The quad and the triangle, these are just suits in different mesh types. In this case, we are quad, but you can just click both of them for the optimized result. And the seed is like a random seed generator that provides you with different outcomes. And I recommend use the Gribble with edit poly together, because in this way you can either selecting one or each specific surfaces, or the entire rows or entire faces or entire blocks. This is much more controllable. And here are some parameters we can make changes in the modifier. So first of all, there are two major parameters we can change. One is a panel, and you can see it controls a bigger block that is on the bottom, and there are widgets as well. I'll show you later. And in panels, there are minimum heights, maximum heights, and the taper makes it rather pyramid or rectangle. And by controlling the minimum and maximum heights, it controls the height difference in this random generation. By assigning it with material ID, you can make the panels, which is the bottom side, become to assign with a different material with a widget. And let's go to the widget. Click generate. Yeah, of course, you can generate the widget and the panels respectively, like only choose one of them, depending on the different cases. And for panels, there are also minimum height, maximum height. That is same. It is a parameter deciding the height difference between them, and it is hard. For this plugin, this is not controllable for how the specific height difference to be. These are just only random generated according to this minimum to maximum range. And for the panels, it is same. It has you can control the height, can make it much higher, and the taper makes it generate between the pyramid shape to a rectangle shape, and material ID as well. And at last, let's show you some applications of how the Gribble plugin can do. Commonly, the plugin is very helpful to generate like a cityscape, and that is how the widget in the panel is designed for. You can see here, just put a surface and extrude counter, just came out a cityscape very instantly. And of course, you can make the streets by deselecting some surface as I showed you earlier, or use the gripple as a complexity window features, just like this. And that is all. Thank you for watching.